Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 7th English grammar 4th chapter and that is modals. Modals are verbs that are used with another verbs to express possibility, permission, intention and so on. They are can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, dare, need, ought to, used to and ought to. Modals are always followed by root form of the another verb. My dear students, you have learned the use of modals in your previous class and there are some important points. First, the use of will and shall. Will and shall denote a future action. We use shall for the first person in action and we use will for the second and third person. But some commands, intention, warnings, promise and determinations, we use shall as a second or third person but we use will as a first person, like I will help my friends and they shall not live here any longer. So here is the exercise 4.1. Question number first. Write sentence with shall I choose words from the boxes. Here is the clues. We use these clues and fill the correct answers. First one is I am hungry. Shall I make some sandwiches? We use shall because it denotes some action. Second, it's dark in the room. Shall I turn on the light? Third, it's very warm in this room. Shall I open the window? Fifth, this program is not interesting. Shall I turn off the television? My dear student, do this question in your book. Question number second. Write sentences with shall we choose words from the boxes. First one is let's go shopping, okay. What shall we buy? Second, let's have a party, okay. Who shall we invite? Third, let's have a match, okay. What game shall we play? Fourth, let's go for a picnic, okay. Where shall we go? Do this question in your book. Exercise 4.2. Complete this sentence. Use can or can't plus one of these verbs. My dear students, we use can for denote some powers or ability and permission or possibility. First one is he is deaf and can't hear you. Second, you dash my bike if you like and the answer is can have. Third, have you seen my bag? Dash find it and the answer is can't. Fourth, I'm sorry that dash to your party and the correct answer is can't come. Fifth, you dash good marks if you work hard and the correct answer is can get. We use can because it is referred the ability. 6. She has lived in England and can speak English well. Do this question in your book. Question number second. Complete this sentence uses could or could not plus one of these verbs. First, eat, attend, walk, feed, land, catch, find, sleep. First one is I was tired but I dash and the correct answer is couldn't. We use could to denote past of can like he could lift the box and we use in a possibility like he could be at his office now. Third, in permission or request like could I use your phone? Could you get me a glass of water? Now, second one is I was so hungry that I could eat a horse. Third, he was so poor that he couldn't feed his children. Fourth, Jim couldn't catch the train because he was very late. Fifth, Neelam couldn't attend the meeting because he was ill. Sixth, could you lend me your bike please? 7. I wanted to talk to him but I couldn't find him anywhere. 8. My little brother could walk when he was 8 months old. My dear student, do this question in your book. Question number 3 of this exercise. Write sentence with may, might, may not and might not. So my dear students, we use may for the permissions like you may go now. In a possibility, his statement may be truth, and in a wish, may you live long. Next one is, we use might to denote past of may, permission or possibility. So we use might, like might I have your pen. His statement might be true. So my dear students, the difference between may and might is very small. Might show a little less certainly than may. First one is, it is possible that I will be late tonight. And the answer is, I may be late tonight, I might be late tonight. This sentence refers the possibility, so we use may. Second, it is possible that I will not come back. And the answer is, I may not come back, I might not come back. Third, it is possible that my friends will help me. And the answer is, my friends may help me, my friends might help me. Fourth, it is possible that she will come to the party. And the answer is, she may come to the party, she might come to the party. Fifth, it is possible that I will not go to the pictures. And the answer is, I may not go to the pictures, I might not go to the pictures. Sixth, it is possible that she will not invite you to the party. And the answer is, she may not invite you to the party, she might not invite you to the party. Do this question in your notebook. Exercise 4.3, put in must or had to. We use must in obligation, duty and rules. First one is, I dash go to Delhi yesterday, and the correct answer is had to, because yesterday refers, it is a past perfect tense. Second, we were late and had to miss the train. Third, we dash start early or we shall be late, and the correct answer is must, because must refers to a duty and rule. Fourth, you dash give up smoking or you will fall ill, and the answer is must, because it refers a obligation. Next one is, you dash brush your teeth after taking meals, and the answer is must. Sixth, the train was full and I had to stand all the way. 7. I don't walk on Sundays, but the last Sunday I had to walk. Do this question in your book. Next one is, complete each sentence using must not or need not plus one of the given verbs, like lose, waste, wait, wash, forget, hurry. First, I shall come later, you dash for me, and the correct answer is need not to wait. We use need for the main verb and also for necessity and requirement. Second, there is yet a lot of time, you need not to hurry. Third, these papers are urgent, you must not lose them. Fourth, these clothes are not dirty, you need not wash them. And the rest of question you have to do yourself. Question number 3, put in must, had to, must not, need not, dare. We use dare for challenge and also for courage. First one is, I dash not ask my father for money, and the answer is dare. Second, it is a very good film, you dash see it, you must see it. Third, this is a secret, you must not tell anybody. Fourth, what has happened, you must tell me. Fifth, you dash clean the room, I will do it myself, and the answer is need not. Sixth, she dash hurry because she was getting late, and the correct answer is had to. My dear students, rest of the question you have to do yourself in your book. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.